Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix ChatGPT too many request errors. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser, and here you need to search for that is ChatGPT down. So let me search that. Okay, ChatGPT down. Okay, and then you need to let me search. Then you need to open the first website, and here you can see a huge spike, so it means that there is an issue and the OpenAI team will fix that. But if you can see that there is no spike here and you're still seeing an issue that of too many requests, you simply need to go back and open the settings of your smartphone. So let me open that, click on settings. Then you need to go into the app management and go into the app list, and here you need to search for the browser that you are using. Okay, and here you need to come and click on storage and cache, and the first step you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage and try using ChatGPT again. So by this your issue will be resolved. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.